Assalamualaikum class, I am your math teacher from Light School. Open page number 29. Today my topic is HCF and LCM. HCF mean highest common factor. There are two methods to find HCF. First one is finding HCF of three numbers by prime factorization method, and second method is finding HCF of three numbers by division method. LCM mean lowest common multiple. There are two methods of finding LCM. First one is finding LCM by prime factorization method, and second one is finding LCM by division. Today I am going to solve exercise 2b, fill in the blanks. HCF of 7 and 11 is 1. Look here, factors of 7 is 1 and 7, and factors of 11 is 1 and 11, and common factor is just 1. So this is HCF. The LCM is always greater than HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. The LCM of two prime numbers is product of the numbers. The LCM of 9 and 24 is 72. When we solve, then we get answer 72. Question number 2. True, false. The prime factors of 125 are 5, 5 and 5. Look here, these are prime factors of 125. So these are prime factors. So it is true. The product of HCF and LCM of any two numbers is equal to the product of those numbers. True. The HCF of 15 and 35 is 35. False, because when we solve then we get different answer. The LCM of 17 and 19, look here, these are two prime numbers. So LCM of prime numbers is simply product of these numbers. So it is true. LCM stands for largest common multiple. False, because lowest common multiple. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. The prime factors of 195 are, these are prime factors, 5, 3, 13. So it is true. HCF of 75 and 45 is 15. When we solve, then we get this answer. LCM of 3, 5 and 7 is, these are three prime numbers. So we simply multiply these numbers. 3, 5 the 15. 15 multiply 7, 105. LCM of two prime numbers is product of the numbers. This one true. HCF of 28, 49 and 70 is 7. Next questions we will solve on white. Exercise 2b, page number 35. Question number 4. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. First we find factors of 64. Right here is 64. 2, 3 the 6. 2 to the 4. We take just prime numbers. 2 on the 1, 2 6 the 12, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 on the 2. Now find factors of 148. 2 7 the 14, 2 4 the 8, 2 37 the 74, 37 1 the 37. 2 30 the 60, 2 15 the 30, 3 5 the 15, 5 1 the 5. Now we write factors of 64 here. 2 multiply 2, this one right here, and factors of 48, this one, and factors of 60, this one. Now we take common factors. These 2 and 2 are common in three numbers. These 2 and 2 are also common. So we write here common factor is equal to 2 multiply 2. We just take one time these 2 and one time these 2. 2 multiply 2, and HCF is equal to 4. B part is also same. We find factors of 63. 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 7 the 21, 7 1 the 7. Factors of 108, 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. Factors of 72. 2 3 the 6, 1 carry, 2 6 the 12, 2 18 the 36, 2 9 the 18, 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. We write here factors of 63. This one 3 multiply 7, we write here, and factors of 108. write this, and factors of 72 write this. Now we underline common factors. These 3 and 3 common, and next 3, these 3 and 3, these 3 common, 2 3 common in every number. So we write here 3 multiply 3, and HCF is 9. C part is also same. Question number 5. Find the HCF. Here already common factors are right already, so we just underline common factors. 2 2 2, and this 2 2 2, and 5 5 5. So write here 2 multiply 5. We just write one time these 2, one time these 2, and one time this 5. Now we multiply this. 2 to the 4, 4 5 to the 20. HCF is equal to 20. B part is also same. C also. Question number 6. Find the HCF by long division method. In long division method, we take bigger two values. Bigger values are 93 and 54. 93 is dividend and 54 is divisor. 54 1 the 54. 93 minus 54 is equal to 39. 39 is remainder, and this divisor become dividend, and this remainder become divisor. 39 1 the 39. 54 minus 39 15. This is remainder and become divisor, and this divisor become dividend. 15 to the 30. 39 minus 39, 9 become divisor, and this 15 become dividend. 9 1 the 9, remainder 6. 6 1 the 6. 3 2 the 6, and division is stop. Now we take third number, that is 39. 39 is divided, and this 3 is divisor. So 3 13 the 39, remainder is 0. This number is called HCF. So HCF is 3. B part is also same. Take two large numbers 68 and 56. 56 1 the 56. 68 minus 56 12. 12 become divisor. 56 minus 12 for the 48. 56 minus 48 8, and this 12 become divided. 8 1 the 8. 12 minus 8 4. 4 to the 8. Now we take third number, that is 48. 48 become divided, and this 4 become divisor. 4 12 the 48, and HCF is this 4. C part is also same. HCF is equal to 12. Question number 7. Find the LCM by division method. We take all numbers at the same time and find factors. 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 27 as it is, because 27 is not divisible by 2. 35 as it is, because 35 is not divisible by 2, and 45 is also as it is. No 2 21 the 42, 27 again as it is, 35 and 45 as it is. Now we take 3 7 the 21, 3 9 the 27, 3 35 as it is, and 3 15 the 45. Again we take 3 3 the 9, and 3 5 the 15, 35 and 7 as it is, 3 1 the 3. Now we take 7 1 the 7, 1 as it is, 7 5 the 35, 5 as it is. Now take 5 1 the 5, and 5 1 the 5. Division is stop. Now we write here factors. LCM is equal to product of factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. These factors we multiply, and then we get answer 3780. B part is also same. C part is also same.